Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram live screen not working. Well, to solve this issue there is only one solution. So first of all, you have to just go to Play Store or App Store depending upon your OS, and here you have to search for Instagram, right? So this is a very simple thing, and make sure in the place of open, if you find update, then update your Instagram right now, because this is very important, because some of the patches or bugs get fixed with the update. Right now, here you have to go to the settings of your phone. Right, if your problem is still not solved, go to settings of your phone. Now here you have to search for apps. So basically we have to go to the app management here. So you can see this is app management. It will show you all the application which is installed on your phone, and here you have to search for Instagram. Just open your Instagram right now. Okay, go to the storage usage, clear the cache, right, and clear the data. So once your data has been cleared, then your Instagram live screen will be fixed forever. So this is a two solution which is definitely going to work for you, I'm sure. And if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.